So I did it again and I bought another purse.
Paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Sunday. Make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So I did it again and I bought another purse. I know I said I wasn't going to get any more purses anytime soon, but I think it's been almost a year. And this is a purse that I have been eyeing for quite a while, but every time I go online to see if it's there, it's sold out, and it also has been sold out in stores. So I was lucky enough to find it online a few days ago. I logged in and there it was. So of course I had to get it. Like, I had to get it because I don't have this print in my collection. I do have like the monogram, the damier azur, and the pink empreinte leather. But this is a very iconic bag and it's a classic. Like, I had to have this handbag. So I ended up ordering my purse online, but I decided to have them ship it to the store. The reason why I did that is because, I don't know if you girls remember this, but my last unboxing that I did, which was on my Neverfull MM, I had the biggest scare ever. It was like a nightmare. Anyway, this time I decided to get the full experience of picking up my package in store, and I'm so glad I did. The SA there was super sweet, and she really was so helpful. So here it is. Like I said, it is a true unboxing. I did pick it up in the store and she was super sweet. She packaged it up for me and I also got my initials. So here it is. Look how beautiful. I love it. And here is my receipt. Here it is. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Like, I can't even explain to you how excited I am with this purchase. So look how beautiful she packaged it. It's like so gorgeous. I don't even want to take it apart. She packaged it so beautiful for Mother's Day. If you can guess what it is before I unbox it, mention it in the comment below. So this is the box. Okay, ready? Let's see. Oh, I just love the smell of new handbags. And it is the popular Alma Bibi in the damier ebene. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful. It smells so good, like brand new. So I decided to get this purse because, like I said, I don't own anything in the damier ebene, and I think this color is just beautiful. It looks amazing with the white, and I always wear white like all the time. When I'm not wearing pink, I'm wearing white, and I think this is a color that goes great with white outfits, also pink, and it's a beautiful bag that you can use year-round, whether it be for like winter, fall, summer, spring, anything. And it's beautiful. And I even had her monogram, my initials in here in this gold foil. How beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. So she did put on the little lock for me. I did ask her to do that and it looks beautiful. She says that some people take it off or some people leave it on, kind of like a little charm to like just look cute in the purse. So I think it looks really pretty like this, and the zipper is so smooth. Here is the inside, and it does come with a tiny little bag to store the lock. Look how cute this is. This is like the tiniest thing ever. Absolutely adorable. And the inside, oh, it's so precious. It's in this gorgeous cherry red color. Absolutely beautiful. I don't have anything with that red interior. It is gorgeous, so pretty. I know it looks small, but for me, this is like the perfect size. It's perfection. I can carry all my essentials in here as long as I can fit, I always say this, as long as I can fit my wallet, my cell phone, and my keys, I am good to go. So like I said, it is very spacious, and there's this extra little compartment here on the side. And here is the little tag. It's the Alma BB and the Damier Ebene. And then the little things that it comes with, but it's so pretty. I'm loving this purse so much. I love that checkered print. I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to move this tag to this side just because I don't like the way it's like sticking up. She did mention to either put like a towel or a cloth over it to kind of make the leather go down, so I might do that. But I think it's such a pretty bag, and I love the fact that this handbag has feet, so you don't have to worry about placing your handbag down. So this also comes with a removable strap, which is the perfect length because it's not too big. Like, I'm loving this. It's not like super long, so you can definitely use it as just like a shoulder bag, a crossbody, or you could also use it just with the handles. And I think either way, it's so cute. It's the perfect bag. It's so gorgeous. I'm loving this. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I think this is such an iconic bag. So it is a very, very special classic bag that is never gonna go out of style. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like styled with the strap and then also just with the little handles. So this is what the handbag looks like when you put it in the crook of your arm. I am 5'6" for reference, just so you can get a better idea, but I think this is the perfect handbag. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty, and you can even use the strap if you want to use it as a handbag or a crossbody. So it does have a little like D, I think it's called a D-ring on both sides, and the strap is very nice actually. Very easy to put on. It's not adjustable, that's the only thing, but I think the size and the length is perfect. So this is what it looks like as a crossbody. So it hits me right at the top of my hip and it goes all the way down. Like I said, I am 5'6", and I think it's absolutely perfect. It looks beautiful. I'm loving the way it looks like this. Super cute. And then also, if you don't want to use it as a crossbody, you can also use it just as a regular handbag. It does go a little bit lower. It is a little bit below my hip area, but it's still the perfect size and length. So this is what it would look like as a regular handbag. So that was it for today's unboxing video. I really hope you loved it. Leave me a comment down below. I always love to read all your comments. I hope you have an amazing and wonderful day, and happy Mother's Day if you're a mom. And I love you all so much. Bye.